Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you two easy methods that you can use to reveal your own wireless password, Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 PC. We'll right away begin by going here at the start menu of your Windows PC and locate settings. Then we can go to network and internet, double click on that. Then under status, we can see that we have a wireless network that we are connected to. So we have to scroll down and locate change adapter settings. I'm just going to double click this. These are the adapter settings, but we are looking for the one that is Wi-Fi. So double click on this. Something like this is going to appear. Then we have to go to wireless properties, and then under the security tab, we can go to network security key and make sure that we show the characters that are hidden here. So you tick here, tick the radio button so that you can be able to reveal the password, or reveal the characters that are hidden. For the second method, we are still going to go to settings here, and then again go to the gear icon, and then let's go to network and internet. And then from here, we are going to locate the network and sharing center under advanced network settings. So double click this, view your basic network information and set up connections. So my wireless network that I'm currently connected to is called training. So I'm just going to click here on Wi-Fi. I'll have something like this again, which is wireless properties. Click there, and then under the security tab, we are going to go to network and security key, which is a bit masked. So click on the radio button to be able to reveal the characters that are masked. So this is the wireless password that you are currently connected to.